we have discussed about the progress of work of Shillong Dawki road, and I'm happy to inform you that the package 1, package 2, package 4, package 5, the progress of work is satisfactorily. And not only that, as far as package 1 is concerned, again, the NHITCL along with the company who is constructing this package 1, the 4 lane up to Banyun, up to Pomlu, the completion is finalized by the end of this month, meaning up to 31st of December, we are able to complete it. Well, small issues, it may be there, but by and large, this 4 lane can be made functional by the end of this month and by the end of this year. As far as the progress of work of package 2, package 4, package 5, it is as I've already said, it is satisfactorily. And not only that, of course, there are so many challenges where we already discussed about the challenges, like those dirts which falls down and goes down to the river. These issues also we already discussed, and direction has also been given to the concerned company to make sure that the prescription issued by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board has to be complied in totality. So again, as far as package 3 is concerned, I'm happy to inform you that package 3, which is known as Penusla bypass, again the compensation amount has also been sanctioned by the government of India, and I'm very sure very soon district collector of East Khasils as well as SDO Civil of Penusla will be able to work out the details of the stakeholders, whoever, and then release the compensation to the concerned bank accounts of all of them. 4 lane, again from Maulangkhung, we call it, from Maulangkhung up to Ratashara, up the border of Assam, and that is called Greenfield High Speed Corridor. And the survey is again in advanced stage, and we have already instructed the concerned stakeholders like Forest Department, and then again MECPL, and then again PHE to work closely to each other, because we need to also think of utility shifting, and then number 2 is we need to also to think about the shifting of water pipeline and so on and so forth. So the survey is well in advance, and I'm very sure within maybe a few months from now they'll be able to finalize the entire alignment right from Maulangkhung up to the border of Assam.